Today I'm gonna show you guys my Christmas dinner. Hello everybody, I'm Dave, and from my back garden I'll be making delicious food that everybody can make. Let me show you around. This is Dinner with Dave. So Merry Christmas everybody. Christmas, a really nice time. My whole family is here in my living room with my daughter's friend. She's gonna stay over, she's gonna eat with us, and I'm gonna make something special. I don't know if you know it, I don't know if you've ever seen it, but I've got myself some truffle potatoes. Oh, that's a delicate piece of potato that needs to be handled with a little bit of care. Furthermore, I've got some lettuce. I've got two kinds of lettuce. I got myself some duck breast, nice on the barbecue. I'm gonna make some leftover spare ribs for the kids and a little bit of fish on a wooden plank. Yeah, and that's about it. Oh, I'm also gonna make a dessert. So let's start. Preparation is everything, and I got myself some nice truffle potatoes. I don't know if you can see it. It's a nice delicate potato. And first I want to cut off all these parts and clean them up a little bit, wash them, and then we're going to boil them. Water already boiling. Gonna put up the fire a little bit. The bigger one's going in, and that will go for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, they are nicely done, because we're gonna put them into the oven with a paprika powder spice mix. Oh, that's gonna be so nice. You also saw me having a second pan of water, and I've got this nice green asparagus. And I need to clean them. But we've got 5 people here, so we need to count how many I've got. And I want to boil them, then wrap them with bacon and put them on the barbecue for a while. So we're going to clean them up, remove the ends. So in this package we have 7, 25, 30 asparagus. I'm gonna put them into the boiling water. And my preparations will be done for the first few minutes. There we go, nicely into the boiling water. The asparagus had a few minutes, so we're gonna take them of the boiling water. I don't want to have them overcooked. And now it's time to give them a little rest, to let them cool down a little bit. Put them on a paper to let them cool down. The water of the asparagus is nice and green, and if you cook them too much time, you will cook all the vitamins out. So please don't overcook them. Please, really, believe me, don't overcook them. Next step to prepare them, I got myself some bacon. Grab yourself like 2 strings, and we just counted 6 asparagus. I'm going to wrap the bacon around it. This is all in preparation because it's going to be on the barbecue. So it only needs a little bit of time. Potatoes are drained and they just starting to get a little bit soft. So now we're gonna make like wedges. And this is all in preparation. You can do this even the day before, it doesn't really matter. purple potatoes. Got myself 2 oven trays. And we're gonna put the potatoes on there. Now it will be a little bit messy probably. Gonna take some olive oil. Cover them with oil. Gonna take the herbs and gonna spread the herbs over here. There we go. And mix it up. So preparation's already done. And now 20 minutes or maybe 30 minutes before we're gonna eat, put it into the oven and you're ready. The barbecue, I set it on a direct way, straight above the flames, and it's really hot as you can see. And I've got the indirect way. I've got myself a little heat shield there. So I'm gonna use it. I've got my fish on a board and it could go right above the flames. The board will get a little bit of flames and the smoke will add to the fish. And then the asparagus, I want to have them not too hot, so I'm gonna get myself a nice little stand. I'm gonna put them on here and let the bacon get crispy. And that will go slowly. Be careful for the tips. Make sure you won't be damaging the tips. So this is ready. And then it's also time to get the potatoes into the preheated oven. Oven preheated, 200 degrees. We're gonna put the trays in for like 20 to 35 minutes. It depends. Give them a flip now and then. So you don't have to look too much. Just put them into the oven and flip them now and then. I'm gonna make myself like 2 kinds of salad. One with baby leaves of rucola and one with the threesome of lettuce. Look at this, looking awesome, and the taste is great. So first we're gonna make a dressing. Always starting myself with like 2 big tablespoons of mayonnaise. Gonna add some berry balsamico vinegar, like 2 teaspoons. A little bit of salt, pepper. So that's already in. Oh. Then some extra virgin olive oil, like a tablespoon. And I'm also gonna add some honey, like a tablespoon, to make it a little bit sweeter. Got myself a bowl. Gonna put all the baby leaves in there. So we're gonna add all the dressing in there. Mix it up a little bit. So now we're gonna add some cucumber. Then I've got myself some sweet paprika. With the sweet paprika you don't have a lot of seeds, so it's easier to remove them. You can just pull them out. I got some vine tomatoes. I've got myself some blueberries. And just for that nice little bit of taste, we're adding some blueberries. Now for the second salad, I've got myself some bacon, a pan, a little bit of oil, and the bacon is gonna go into the pan, and we're gonna heat it up. So on the fire, heating it up. I also got all kinds of mushrooms, a mixed mushroom package. I'm just gonna cut them into nice pieces. Bacon is getting there, full whack. Now time to add the mushrooms. So while that's going, time to cut some lettuce. Got another bowl. Got my lettuce and cut them near the end, but don't cut them too close because you will get all the soil there, and that's not what you want. Now the duck chest, my favorite part. First, we're gonna add some salt and some pepper, and I'm gonna prepare it like a steak. So some pepper, some salt, and I want to do the presentation side first. So the side you're gonna see, not the skin. Presentation side is gonna go on the barbecue first to get those nice grill marks, and then we're gonna finish them on the skin. As you can see, the barbecue is freaking hot, 300 degrees. Look at the asparagus, that's looking nice. Here we go with the duck chest. Let them get some flame. Asparagus done, maybe a little bit overcooked. Looking great. Spare rib done, and the duck chest. Only a matter of minutes. The mushrooms and the bacon nearly done. Before the end, I'm gonna add some honey. I'm just gonna pour the mushrooms and the bacon into the salad. Divide it. Now the potatoes are done, everybody. So grab them out of the oven. They're nice and crispy. Nice and crispy. That's so freaking nice. My bowl of potatoes. I accidentally turned off my microphone, but we also had some dessert. So we've got some Greek yogurt, we've got some blueberries and some kids chocolate, some milk chocolate, and we're gonna make our own stracciatella yogurt with some blueberries. So first of all, let's start filling up the mugs, the cups, whatever you want to call it, with some Greek yogurt. Nice sour Greek yogurt. Gonna put the whole pot into 5 cups. Make sure everything's out. And then it's time to grate some chocolate with the grater. These ones for the smaller pieces, and I want to have 3 kinds of pieces there. And it could be tough. Then on the side for the bigger ones, the bigger pieces. And in the end I'm also gonna use my knife. The stracciatella yogurt is really awesome and everybody can make it. Just need a little bit of chocolate and the yogurt you prefer. So we're gonna mix up everything. And we'll put it into the cups. Everybody got an equal amount. Even the small little pieces are gonna go in. Then time for the blueberries. Make sure you got like a ring of blueberries just for decoration and for the sour taste. Blueberries really healthy, and this is the result. This is our dessert. So I'm trying to tell something about, yes, thank you all for watching because it was awesome. My stomach is really filled with all the nice food, but yeah, my microphone wasn't working. But still, having that said, this was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, watch me on Facebook, watch me on Instagram, and we're gonna see each other next week. Bye bye.